Today another deep job out here on this country road. Got to go a total of 18 inches. Taking 9 right now, just to the bottom of the asphalt, and then we're going to come back and dig the dirt. Nice area, nice country road here in Cascadero. Just making the first pass right now. We'll work all the way across the road, getting the asphalt off, and then we'll come back in and take the dirt. They're going to be putting grades down for me to follow on the dirt so I can cut it right to grade for them. So it might vary, it might be another 6 inches to another 8 inches of dirt has to come out. But as you can see here, just taking that full section of asphalt right now. About halfway down the strip, so another 3 passes to go. Another fun one, going deep and cutting grade. Right now I'm going 9 on one side, 7 on the other, side plates at 14.2. So I'm taking this dike out along the way with me, kind of up here in the trees. But we're getting it. The truck's out pretty quick. I think we're going to stay late, hopefully till around 7 tonight, try to get this whole thing done. Heading back this way, we might have a potential problem. The second cut in the dirt is this wet black clay. This stuff, get in your hand, you can make a sticky ball out of it. That's exactly what happens under the machine, and it balls the drum up and you can't grind it. So we're hoping we get out of it and they can do this section with the blade and the loader. I know from experience that you have a really hard time grinding that. Sometimes you can get away with it with a whole bunch of water and soap in the water, but this is pretty thick. So see what happens. Back here behind the machine, it's all that way. That's a full load. Okay. That guy wanted to load himself. Said, don't honk at me. Okay. Leaving some material behind me there so they can make driveway ramps, I should say. Just running the traffic in with my trucks. It's now 4:30 in the afternoon. Don't think we're going to make it to the end. Maybe we will. Here's how it's going now. I'm out of the mud mostly. Turn my water basically off so I can get it to unclog. Now I got this hard packed yellow dirt. It's going to be a fight. I don't know if it's possible or not. We're going to try to keep going. Chunky on that one, loading the trucks fast. By trucks, I mean truck, because I don't have any more. Back to it when I get another truck. Well, we just finished phase one of getting the asphalt off. Got a little more asphalt tomorrow, and yeah, it's dark. It's 7:22, so we're gonna pack this thing up, head to the hotel, back at it again tomorrow. Back second day, bright and early. We got this little strip to cut out over here, and then the blade is going to be windrowing up the material for me so I can cut the rest. Going for around 18 inches, so we're going to get at it and see how it goes today. Hopefully not so long of a day. Here's how it's going now. I'm out of the mud mostly. Turn my water basically off so I can get it to unclog. Now I got this hard packed yellow dirt. It's going to be a fight. I don't know if it's possible or not. We're going to try to keep going. Back there where all those people are standing, we hit an AT&T phone service, tore that completely out. So yeah, this is going well. Coming out of the drum, see it slinging around in there. Good stuff. Fun times grinding deep in dirt. This is my drum after hitting that AT&T line several times. I just chipped a bunch of dirt out of it. See, everything's wrapped around it. Staying fairly clean though. Only a little bit plugged. A couple of broken teeth, but don't really need teeth to pick up windrows. So now they're going to windrow all the material up for me, so no chance of me hitting anything else. And we're going to try that. So we'll see how it goes. Here's a steel pipe in the ground that I ended up hitting a few times. That pretty much ended my attempts of making grade with the grinder. So now we're going to use the blade. Well, we did all we can do. They're going to save the rest for another day. Got most of it. Got the machine pretty much washed out, except for I got this piece of plastic pipe wrapped around the side of the drum. So that's going to be